In this video, I'm going on a train. I've just left home. I've got a 40-minute walk to the train station and then about a 6-hour train journey. Why? Well, come with me and you'll find out. See you in a bit. Right, it's been most of the day now. The train was 6 hours and I had to rush to a connection, then I had to rush to another connection. So I've not done any filming at all, so I do apologise. I've stopped at, I think, Clackett Lane, I think it's called. Clackett Lane Services on the M25. Yeah, do you want to see what it is I bought? Hang on. Bought a 15-seat minibus. There we go. Long-term project. First job is ripping all these seats out. 15 seats, 15-seater, 3 in front, 12 in the back. They're all coming out. It's all being stripped, obviously for a camper conversion. How exciting is that? So yeah. So I've driven up, well, not driven, I've got the train up from Cornwall, picked it up just now, found it on eBay. First impressions are, it's a good bus. I'll try and insert pictures now of the photos of the underneath. For 2008 Transit, it is clean as a pin. I've just stopped for some food and some fuel. And I've got about another 5.5 hour journey home. I think I'm going to go A303. I think I'm going to go M3, A303. Just so I'm not sat on the M4 for hours. Yeah, hang on. Radio don't work. I need to get a code. I might actually try that in a minute. Apparently you can get a code online for the radio. Mileage is 157. It's got 12 months MOT. No advisories on the MOT. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go and get some food because I've not eaten all day and I'm starving. So please welcome the minibus to the channel. I think the Audi's going to go to make room for this. As I say, this is going to be a long-term project, but also possibly my daily driver at the same time. I just found something stuck behind the seatbelt. Tips to stay safe. Face mask. First things first for this is going to be clean up and then strip down the back. Yeah. Exciting minibus project. No, not a minibus project. Exciting camper van project. Minibus to camper van project. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Any suggestions, any hints and tips, anything. Comment, like, subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Cheers and gone.